Agricultural production in India is mainly affected by insect, pests, plant diseases and weeds to a greater extent. In the recent times, avifauna mainly comprising of depredatory birds and mammals with special reference to rodents, wild boars, blue bulls, and monkeys started gaining pest status. In certain cases, an enormous damage being encountered due to some of these vertebrate pests. Keeping in view of this, during 8th Plan, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, launched an all-India coordinated research project on agricultural ornithology at 7 centers in 1982 by ICAR, with the main thrust area of research on depredatory birds and to estimate extent of crop losses and to develop potential eco-friendly management strategies. The last 3 decades of intensive studies has helped to enlist key depredatory species and estimate the damage in important cereals, pulses, oilseeds and horticultural crops. Moreover, the scientists of the project have been able to evolve a number of novel and field-worthy technologies to minimize bird damage to the crops. In the year 2012, keeping in view of the extent of damage done by the higher vertebrates like wild boar, nilgai and monkeys, ICAR has initiated a new project by merging AMPAO and AINP on rodent control into AINP on vertebrate pest management to address the problems caused by these animals. Some of the important eco-friendly and cost-effective management methods are showcased here.
Reflective ribbons. 2 colors, red and white.
Twist the ribbons for better effect.
Ribbon should run in north-south direction at 2-meter interval.
Makes fluttering sound in the wind and dazzles in sunlight. Ribbons should be 1 feet above the crop canopy. Makes fluttering sound in the wind and dazzles in sunlight. Ribbons can be used in crops like sunflower, sorghum, bajra, groundnut, maize, all small millets and other horticultural crops. Leaf wrapping in maize. Using the nearest leaf for covering the cob. Cover border for rows. Reflective plates, cut the plate up to center. Insert the plate with shining side outside. The plate should cover the entire head in sunflower.
Spraying of egg solution. Break eggs, whisk them, measure them. At the rate of 25 ml per liter of water. Soak neem seeds in water overnight. Grind them in a mixer grinder. Filter the crushed seeds. Neem kernel extract spray. Dose 20 ml of extract per liter of water. Spray on the crop targeting heads. Effective for 10 to 12 days. Integrated bird pest management. Combination of technologies is more effective in reducing bird damage. Can be used in safflower, sunflower, sorghum, bajra, etc. To prevent peafowl damage during sowing stage. Same technique can be used for wheat, cotton, tomato, paddy, other vegetable and fruit crops.
Bioacoustics. Components: solar panel, battery, main device, solar panel frames, fixing procedure. Fix the solar panel frame. Tie it to the pole. Fix battery box. Fix device box. Connect wires. Install the pole and ground. Keep the equipment height 1 feet above the crop canopy. Incorporates predator calls, distress and alarm calls. Effective up to 4 acres of area. Can be used in crops like sunflower, maize, bajra, groundnut, wheat, safflower, sorghum. Eco-friendly animal management methods. General behavior of wild boar. Wild boars dig the soil, move in groups, usually raid the crops in the night. Poor eyesight, good sense of smell. Damage by wild boar. The damage by wild boar starts from sowing stage and ends by harvest time. Damage pattern in different crops. Barbed wire. Fixing the barbed wire. using poles 1 feet above ground around the crop as a physical barrier in all the crops. Fixing of diamond mesh. Expensive technology, good for small areas. Circular razor-edged fence. Very effective, 100% protection. Expensive and good for small areas. Trenches. Dig trenches of 2 feet width and 3 feet depth all along the border of the crop. Fish net around the crop 3 feet vertically and 1 feet horizontally on the ground. Proved effective in reducing wild boar entry.
Border crops. Castor can be grown as border crop in maize. Safflower can be grown as border crop in groundnut. 4 closely spaced rows of border crops for protect additional income through castor or safflower. Odor of castor and safflower deters the wild boar and both are unpalatable. Raising of coranda along the hedges.
Spraying of egg solution. At the rate of 25 milliliters per liter of water, break eggs, whisk them, measure them. Mix well in the water and drench the soil along the border. Effective for 10 to 12 days, enhanced effect if it rains. Can be used for safflower, sunflower, sorghum, bajra, small millets, paddy, other food crops. No side effects, smell deters the wild boar. 100 grams of ferrate or thymate granules with 1 kilogram of sand. The mixture is placed in a polythene cover and tied. Peg the sticks all along the border to a stick.
Spreading human hair. Spread human hair around the crop. Hairs are irritants to wild boar. Dung spray. Pig dung is soaked in water. Slurry is made. Filter the slurry. Drench at the rate of 100 ml per liter of water onto the soil along the border.
Smothering. Dried pig dung is filled in an earthen pot. Set fire to the dung. Fix the pots on a pole along the border at the rate of 10 to 15 per hectare. Sari barricade. Erect sari all along the borders of crop. Application of pig oil and turmeric. Pig oil and turmeric paste should be mixed. The paste should be applied on coconut coir rope. Tie this rope in 3 rows all along the border. Solar fence. Expensive but works out on collective contribution basis. Bioacoustics. Incorporates predator calls, distress and alarm calls. Effective up to 4 acres of area. Effective for long duration.